Okay, Monica, we're gonna go into arm lifts. So bring your arms down to your sides. Lobster claw grip on the weights, bend into the knees, lift up with the core, shoulders back and down. On your inhale, lift the elbows up to shoulder height, taking care not to bring them lower than the shoulders in a tiny for just an inch. Inch, inch, inch. Keep the rhythm going, 30 reps. Lift up with the core. And 28, 29, 30, and exhale, bring them down. Tricep lifts, let's bend into our knees, coming into a slalom skier's position. So you're skiing down the mountain. Then take those weights, bring them up behind, elevate them just above your seat. Give them a good grip and take a tiny 1-inch pulse up, 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 up. We're gonna do 30 up, reaching, then switching our grip to pulsing inward, one weight towards the other, and in. Making care to keep the back long and elongated and extended, and flipping to palms up for the last 30, 29, 28. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Calf roll-ups. So you want to step up to the bar and let your fingertips rest lightly on the bar. You can also use the back of a chair that's stable on the floor or the side of a countertop. Coming in, bringing your feet to hip width distance apart once more, zipping up through the core, shoulders back and down, chin is even on the horizon. Bend into the right knee, lift the right heel up, keeping the heel at a hover, rolling to the left side and alternating. Each heel coming to just a hover, not quite touching the floor. Don't let your weight go down. Working through these for approximately 30 reps. And then coming to a double lift, 3, 2, 1, together. Up, down. Really pressing into the calves, rolling up nice and high. Keep the shoulders down. And 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it up. Right arm reaches. I forgot about it. Left arm reaches. And exhale, bring it down. Quad and hamstring pulses. So keeping that position on the bar, fingertips resting lightly. On your inhale, roll up to the balls of the feet, lift up through the core. Bend your knees forward, sliding your back like it's sliding down a wall. Making sure to keep the shoulders over your hips, the core activated and in to protect the low back. Pulsing down an inch and then back up. Just an inch down, up, down, and down. Down and down. Keep it steady and even. Doing approximately 30 of these. Challenging, keeping rolled up on the toes. And 3, 2, 1, freeze. Sinking down deeper. Again, challenging the hamstrings, challenging the quads a little deeper. Coming up an inch, down an inch, up and down, up and down, up and up, up and up, up and up. And after about 30 of these, in 3, 2, 1, inhale, come up and roll the heels down. Bicycles. So hands come up behind the head, fingertips touch the head. Either stack the hands or touch the sides of the head. Try not to interlace your fingers. Pull the navel down to the spine, pressing the low back into the floor. Bring the knees up to 90 degrees and point your toes. And bicycle, taking care to touch elbow to knee. Go. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33. Keep going. Breathe. Remember to take a nice deep breath. Pull the navel in, twisting. In 3, 2, 1, and down.